Is your TD daily transaction limit holding you back? Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing to make a larger purchase or transfer, only to be stopped dead in your tracks by that pesky ceiling? If you've been nodding along, you're in the right place. We've all been there, that moment of frustration when your banking app or ATM tells you transaction denied because you've hit your daily maximum. It's not just an inconvenience, it can be a real hurdle when you're trying to manage your finances, especially in today's fast-paced digital world where larger transactions are becoming more common. Whether you're looking to pay a contractor, make a significant online purchase, or send a substantial amount of money to a loved one, a low daily limit can feel like a financial straitjacket. And it's not always immediately obvious how to break free. Many people assume they're stuck with the default, but that's rarely the case. The good news is, increasing your TD limit is absolutely possible, and often, it's simpler than you might think. This isn't about jumping through endless hoops or navigating a labyrinth of customer service calls. It's about understanding the options available to you and choosing the path that best suits your needs. So, how exactly do you go about increasing your TD transaction limit? There are a few primary avenues you can explore, and the best one for you will depend on the specific type of transaction you're looking to complete and your banking relationship with TD. First and foremost, the most common way to request an increase is through TD EasyWeb or the TD app. This is often the quickest and most convenient method for temporary increases or minor adjustments. Simply log in, navigate to the relevant section, it might be under My Accounts, Manage Limits, or Transfers, and follow the prompts. You'll typically be able to request a higher limit for Interac e-transfers, bill payments, and sometimes even ATM withdrawals. Keep in mind that these digital requests might have their own sublimits, and larger increases may still require further verification. For more significant or permanent increases, or if you're looking to adjust limits on specific types of transactions not available through online banking, your best bet is to contact TD customer service directly. You can do this by calling their toll-free number or visiting a branch in person. When you call, be prepared to explain why you need a higher limit. They might ask about the nature of the transaction you're trying to make. Having a legitimate reason, like buying a car, making a down payment, or paying for a major home renovation, can help your case. Remember, they're looking to ensure the security of your account and prevent fraudulent activity. Another crucial point to consider is the type of account you hold. Different accounts may have different default limits and different processes for increasing them. For instance, a basic checking account might have lower limits than a premium or business account. If you frequently find yourself hitting your limits, it might be worth discussing with a TD representative whether a different account type would better suit your financial needs. It's also important to differentiate between temporary and permanent limit increases. If you only need a higher limit for a one-off large transaction, a temporary increase might be sufficient. This will revert to your original limit after a set period or after the specific transaction is completed. If you consistently need a higher limit for your regular financial activities, then requesting a permanent increase would be more appropriate. Finally, always be mindful of security. While increasing your limits offers greater flexibility, it also means that if your account were to be compromised, a larger amount of money could potentially be at risk. So, ensure you have strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and regularly monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.